What if I told you that you could make money from the comfort of your home, without any prior experience, fancy degrees, or even a resume? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the catch. It's 100% real and thousands of people are doing it every day. No more exhausting commutes, no more micromanaging bosses, just you, your laptop, and endless opportunities to earn online. And the best part? These jobs are available worldwide. Whether you're in the United States, Canada, India, Africa, or anywhere else, you can start today. Stick with me because I'm about to reveal the best remote jobs that require zero experience. Plus a secret strategy that can boost your chances of getting hired 10 times faster. Ready? Let's dive in. Online chat support jobs. If you've ever visited a website and noticed a little chat box pop up, that's online chat support. Companies need people to respond to customer inquiries, troubleshoot issues, and provide assistance, all through text. It's one of the easiest remote jobs to get started with because you don't need to be on the phone and can often work on your own schedule. How does it work? You will be trained on how to respond to common questions and how to use the company's chat system. Some jobs involve answering pre-scripted questions, while others require troubleshooting or assisting customers with purchases. Many companies offer both full-time and part-time positions, making it a flexible option. Skills you need: fast and accurate typing, ideally 40+ words per minute, clear and professional communication, problem-solving abilities, and basic knowledge of customer service. How much can you earn? The average pay ranges from $15 to $25 per hour, depending on the company and your experience. Where to apply? Top websites hiring chat support agents. LiveWorld offers flexible chat support jobs for various companies. The Chat Shop hires agents worldwide and provides training. Mod Squad allows you to work on different projects, including social media moderation. SiteStaff Chat focuses on personalized customer service for businesses. Tips to get hired faster. 1. Improve your typing speed. Use free tools like typingtest.com to reach at least 40+ words per minute. 2. Be professional in your application. Since chat support is all about communication, your application should be well-written and error-free. 3. Highlight customer service skills. Even if you don't have experience, mention soft skills like patience, problem-solving, and active listening. 4. Apply to multiple companies. Since competition is high, applying to multiple jobs increases your chances of getting hired. Virtual Assistant, VA. Companies, entrepreneurs, and influencers need help with daily tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, and organizing files. That's where virtual assistants come in. How does it work? You will help businesses with administrative work, scheduling, data entry, or even social media management. Some companies require basic bookkeeping or customer service. You can work as a freelancer or get hired by a company offering long-term contracts. Skills you need: organization and time management, communication and problem-solving skills, and familiarity with tools like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office. Where to apply? Belay, Time, etc., Fancy Hands, Upwork. Transcription jobs. If you can listen carefully and type what you hear, transcription might be the perfect work-from-home job for you. How does it work? You will convert audio or video recordings into text. Many jobs involve captioning videos, transcribing interviews, or medical legal transcription. Some companies offer AI-assisted transcription tools to make it easier. Skills you need: fast and accurate typing, good listening skills, and attention to detail. Where to apply? Rev, TranscribeMe, GoTranscript. Tips to get started: practice your typing speed. Aim for at least 60 words per minute. Use free transcription tools like Otter.ai to assist in your work. Specialize in high-paying fields like legal or medical transcription. Data entry jobs. One of the simplest work-from-home jobs is data entry. Companies need people to enter, update, or organize data in spreadsheets or software. How does it work? You will be entering text, numbers, or categorizing data into databases. Some companies require light research or cleaning up messy data. No advanced skills required, just basic computer knowledge. Skills you need: basic typing and accuracy, attention to detail, and familiarity with Excel or Google Sheets. Where to apply? ClickWorker, Axion Data Services, and SmartCrowd. Tips to get started: be fast and accurate. Employers prioritize efficiency. Look for long-term gigs. Avoid scammy pay upfront jobs. Practice with free data entry tests online to improve speed. Online tutoring, no teaching degree required. If you're good at a subject like English, math, or even just speaking English fluently, you can teach online without a degree. How does it work? You will help students learn a subject or language. Lessons can be conducted via chat, video calls, or pre-recorded content. Some platforms connect you with students from all over the world. Skills you need: good communication and patience, subject expertise, basic to advanced level depending on the platform, and teaching ability with an engaging personality. Where to apply? Apply Cambly for English speakers, no experience needed, and Study Pool. Tips to get started. Start with easy platforms like Cambly, which don't require experience. Create a strong tutor profile to attract students. Be patient and offer engaging lessons to get repeat students. Secret hack to get hired faster. Most beginners fail because they apply the wrong way. Here's how you can 10 times your chances of getting hired. 1. Customize your application. 2. Take free online courses. 3. Create an online profile. 4. Start small, grow big. Working from home with no experience is not a myth. It's a reality. But the people who actually succeed are the ones who take action. If you want to escape the 9-to-5 grind, start applying today. Tell me in the comments which job interests you the most. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ways to make money online. See you in the next one.